It's been a seesaw ride all day for stocks. Stocks started the day solidly in the green, but finished the day little change, with the Dow and S&P 500 posting modest gains. While drop in wholesale inventories and improvement in the corporate bond market, that added to signs the economy is strengthening. But the bright spot today, those financials. That's as Citigroup moved to strengthen its capital structure. Citi sold $2 billion of trust preferred securities, and that's a mixture of debt and equity. Well, the bank shares top $4 at one point today, but finishing the day quite close to that. And it's the first time shares have traded over the $4 mark since December. Well, the financials got a lift. That includes Bank of America and also JP Morgan. And speaking of the financials, we also saw the regionals jump. Zion said net interest margins have improved in the current quarter, and write-offs for bad loans are likely to be stable or slightly better in the fourth quarter. Plus, Huntington Bank shares, they reiterated their expectations for quarterly profits sometime in 2010. Well, the company also said its long-term plan is to boost its 1-cent dividend. Well, also helping stocks today, former European Commission President Romano Prodi said the worst of Greece's financial crisis is over and other nations won't follow in its path. But midday, stocks, they began to trim those gains, and that's as speculation grew that accelerating inflation will force China to raise interest rates. China releases that data on prices tonight. Also, Chevron put some pressure on the Dow, and that's as Bank of America Merrill Lynch cut its rating to neutral from buy. And finally, 10 years ago today, the Nasdaq hit an all-time high, and as we all know, the bubble burst. But keep this in mind, the index is still less than halfway back. But tech stocks right now, the highest rated industry group by analysts. But wow, time really does fly. Those 10 years, they've really gone by fast.